If you want more engagement and more clicks, leads, and sales, you need dynamic live action videos because they're the #1 way to captivate and mesmerize your audience. And I'm going to show you how to create them in minutes with VideoEnginePro. You can start with a blank canvas or a done-for-you template. You get a bunch of included done-for-you video templates to get you started fast. Choose a theme to get the look and feel you want for your project. Add videos from the included library. You can upload your own. You can grab them directly from YouTube, or you could even record directly inside VideoEnginePro. Trim the video to get the exact footage and timing that you want. And you can include or you can strip out the audio when you import it. You can add as many videos as you want to your project, and you can even add slides. You can change themes or backgrounds in a single click, and you can move videos and slides around with drag and drop ease to get the exact order that you want. Add or change text with kinetic motion effects. Type in the text that you want. You can add as many text boxes as you want. You can change the font. You can change the color. You can add a drop shadow, and you can change all the entrance and appearance effects. Add or change images and add motion effects to them. You can use anything from the included library, or you can even upload your own. Just click to add it. You can add whatever effects that you want, and then you can drag and drop on the canvas to resize and move things around wherever you want them to be. You can add background music and sound effects. Add anything included, or you can import your own. And you can add transitions to give your video a smooth and seamless flow. You can fine-tune anything and everything to create your masterpiece. Every slide has drag and drop elements. They can be resized, they can be rotated. You can move them around any way you want to position them exactly the way that you want to get exactly the look and feel you want. Also, you have timeline editing, so you can extend or you can shorten the length of each slide directly on the timeline also. Use any of the included elements in the built-in library, or even add your own. And you can even record your own voiceover, or use the built-in text-to-speech to create a voiceover for your videos. And you can save your project and edit it as much as you want later too. When you're done, just click Produce to create stunning HD videos right on your desktop. It's that fast and easy to make dynamic, engaging live action videos with VideoEnginePro. You can see how fast and easy it is to make jaw-dropping videos with VideoEnginePro. And I just showed you a small sample of what the superpower software can do. VideoEnginePro is the ultimate video maker for your business, your social profiles, your video ads, and your life.